welcome to Tijuana, Mexico. Here I'm with
Shane White.
and we called each other last night. What are you feeling? I don't know. What are your flight? No. So Shane, what part of the world are you from?
Yuma, Arizona.
Okay, now what brought you out? Because I know I've been seeing you on and off for a few years.
When I first found you, I was in bad shape, and I had a hard time walking, I had a hard time standing, I had a hard time functioning, period.
And God bless you, man. What have you noticed? I mean, he's like that people heal themselves.
You told me you'd fix me, and I didn't believe you. You told me that if I did the work, that it would work. And 4 years later, I'm standing comfortably, I'm not in pain, and it's a miracle.
But this is the thing. Miracles happen within. All the chiropractor does is we release that imprisoned impulse so the body can heal itself. And if you look at, because you changed that whole mindset, you did everything, brother. Okay, if you look at pain as a problem, you're never going to get better. If you look at pain as an alarm telling you that there's a problem, and then that's that initiate, and you did it. I know. I think I told you it's going to be it's like training for a marathon to regenerate your body, but brother, you did it. Okay, now you've been through like a whole bunch of medical hell, which there ain't a lot of medical heavens. Okay, what could you tell people that are at the end of the rope that don't know that their body is built by God that they can recover?
The medical system failed me hard, so I don't believe in the regular Western medical system anymore. And this stuff really does work. You just have to do the work. And once you can start moving, don't stop moving. Whatever you got to do, just keep moving. Keep going forward with the exercises and all the silly little things, and just don't stop moving.
Now, when he says don't stop moving, he paddleboards the Colorado River. we got different levels of movement there.
It's an amazing thing to go from not being able to walk through a grocery store without having to lay down on the floor and practically cry to be able to paddle up a river. It's
think of that. God bless you, brother. God bless you, Leon. Oh.
I'm forever delighted for you, man.
No, it's not me. It's taking charge of your health. This is the key, because we're taught to be victims in this world. And you get someone that changes that mindset, then you become a victor. And you did it, brother. It's all you, man. It's all you. God bless you, man. I love you too, brother.
You told me that this would work, and I just didn't believe you. It took some time.
Yeah,
but it works.
That's the inner strength. God bless you, man.
And I feel better now than I ever have. I'm 48, and I feel good. I feel really good. I want to go out and do things. I want to keep going. I want to push myself harder. And the only time I'm in any pain now is just when I push myself too hard. And I just keep getting better and better. One of these days, I'm going to be Superman.
God bless you. Whatever chronic illness, disease, or anything, they're giving you a diagnosis that's just living you in a group. Your body is made in the image and likeness of God. Your body is self-healing and self-regulating. All you got to do is make it work. What could, I mean...
I had injections. I had them cut out all the bad stuff in my spine, supposed to make it better. I had surgery, and it all did was make me worse. All the pills and all the drugs, it just made my body just break down, and it was horrible. But once I got rid of all that stuff, I could feel my body slowly getting better. Walking on the beach, keeping moving, walking in the grass, doing the silly block exercises, doing the silly rubber band exercises brought muscle back to my arms, and I thank God every day. I thank God every day that I found this man and I found his team.
Don't live in pain. Don't suffer. And there are solutions. You are made in the image and likeness of God. Your body gives symptoms for a reason. And the reason is never medication deficiency. Okay? There's a way to get healthy. Get healthy, my friends. God bless you, brother.